Hello, we've just installed this multifunction by OKI. It's an MC853. It's massive. I'm going to give it a quick tour. Here you have some letters explaining, for instance, how to get to the toner cartridges. So if you open this, and here on the side you have a button for B. You just pull it and open this panel, then you start seeing the toner cartridges. Here is C. You open, pull it up. Okay, so there's a piece of paper there. Okay, get rid of it. And here are the cartridges, and to replace, if you pull this up, the entire fuser comes with it. Okay, you don't want that unless you want to replace the fuser. If you want to just replace the toner, you undo this lever, pull it up like so. Very careful, because it's full of toner powder here. I had an experience earlier, not very pleasant. Put it back. There you go. So all four toners are here. In order to close this down, you reverse the order. So C down, clicks in. Let's leave this open and close this door here. Okay, and pull this down. As you pull this down, the LCD display will automatically straighten up. Okay, it's a nice LCD display, touch screen. You have the functions copy, scan, print, fax, which is not connected at the moment. You have the same buttons here. What else? At the top you have a scanner with an automatic feeder. If you have a problem with the paper getting tangled, you just press this, and that you can unjam the paper. Also, this of course is a flatbed scanner, so you can pull it here, put the paper there, and scan away. On its side there is a facility to staple, and it looks like this is the staple refill, the stapler. And at the back you have a few trays here. Of course, the power cord, the network cable, network ports. Here you have various access. If you need to clear a paper jam, you have access to these trays. And I suppose it depends on where the paper is. Here is the fax line, which is not in use, and this is it. This is the OKI MC853.